Two stocks which have potential upside in the upcoming future. Basically, let's dive into Nifty's analysis before we understand that these stocks could go on the high side, because if the overall market sentiment is positive, then obviously it would be a pretty much of a good boost for the stock to go on the high side, right? So basically we need two situations. I mean, there are only three situations which would happen in the market, obviously, which would be either on the high side, which the markets could move, otherwise the sideways, otherwise the downtrend, right? So let's just analyze Nifty, SGX Nifty in the 1 day time frame. I do SGX Nifty analysis because this is pretty much more clear for me, and also there are no gap ups and gap downs which come into play as in compared to Nifty, right? So after you see this, this is a channel pattern which is trying to form up since March of 2022, right? And finally it has given a breakout on the higher side. So if you just look at on this resistance which has taken on the previous swing, and right now it is taking a retracement, what I believe is that if the markets take the support in here, this could be our best bets to buy at this place and keeping our stop losses below the zonal level, right? And we can further on trail our targets on the higher side. But we're not trading Nifty in here, we're trading stocks. So we either need the markets to go on the higher side, otherwise it can break down this level and take a go on a sideways level in here between these two zones, and still our stocks could go on the higher side because the market sentiment is not bearish at all. The only thing when we will be worrying about is that when this zone is broken down and is closed down below, right? So these are the two situations. You can stay as long as possible on those stocks which I'm about to tell you, if only these two situations happen. Otherwise this situation, when it happens giving a breakdown, it is probably better for you to exit, right? The first stock which I'm talking about is GOCL Corp Limited. Let's just analyze this in weekly time frame so that you get a very clear idea of why I'm saying this. Obviously this is a higher time frame though, so positional trades is what I'm talking about. If you look on the weekly time frame, it has given a breakout in here and is trying to take a retracement now. Similarly, if you shift into a smaller time frame of 1 day time frame in here, you will find that again this newer channel pattern is also given a breakout, and it is trying to consolidate. So a stop loss will be close to around 7% below this previous swing close, and our targets would be close to around 25% up till this previous high. Now why am I saying 25% in here? Because generally what we do is we calculate from the support in here, which is close to 25% to the resistance, and after the breakout as well from this price level, we will be taking close to around 25%, which comes near this level, right? So 25% is a target and 7% is a stop loss, which is almost close to 1:3 risk to reward, and a good risk to reward setup. The second stock which I am talking about is Wheels India Limited. Again, if we shift down to 1 week time frame in here, you will find out a very good channel pattern. It has finally given a breakout, and also the most recent channel pattern in here. If you shift down to a smaller time frame, again 1 day time frame, you will look at that after breaking out, it is trying to consolidate, right? Again, the stop loss will be below this swing in here is what I feel could be good. Otherwise, you can take below this trend line as well. Taking the targets in here from this bottom till the resistance is close to 21%. We will be taking the same calculations. This is the breakout level, so 21% would be close to this. We'll take it at 20% because this is a previous high, right? So close to 18 to 20% is more than enough, and the previous swing stop loss is close to around 5 to 6%. If you're still taking in here, there's no such issues in here as well. 7.5% would be your stop loss, and your target would be around close to 16 to 17%, which is again a good 1:2.3 risk to reward ratio. These are the two stocks which I'm talking about. Just in case if there's anything else which you want to ask me, do let me know down in the comment section below, and do subscribe to the channel if you like this video. And that's all for the video, guys. Make sure you trade well, keep your stop losses properly, and manage your risk and quantity as well. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and bye bye. Happy trading.